Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday, a fantastic day where you have wish for songs that I bring up for you on these Wednesdays. So this time we have you Fuxedo or something like that. You wish for Powfu's Not a King. So Powfu is not a newcomer here on this channel. Numerous times we had Powfu here, so if you are a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to this channel. He will be back for sure. Great artist, very innovative. So yeah, make sure you support me here in Learn Guitar. Let's go on with this tutorial, Not a King. So as you can see, not a capo either on this fretboard. We're going clean here, and we have 4 chords to learn. So let's go over the chords C, D, G, and E minor. We're gonna start with C now, and that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. The D we're using here is this version of it, same shape as the C, but we have it 2 frets closer into your body like this. So we'll land on 5th A, 4th D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. We have G next. So that goes 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the E minor. And E minor goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have the tools now. Let's go into the first part of this song. I believe that's the chorus actually. So it goes with picking pattern style. We're going to look at it chord by chord, starting with C. By the way, the chord progression here will be C, D, and G. So we have a pattern that looks like this. Okay, so you're holding the base of the chord. You don't have to use this B string down here. So this is actually enough with this picking pattern. So you're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, and open G. You repeat that, so 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, and then finally 3rd A and 2nd D. So it ends on the 2nd D. So slowly. Okay, that is one round of C, and then you go to the D part. You take the very same grip and place it here on this 5th A and 4th D. And you're gonna use the same string, same pattern. So that gives us 5th A, 4th D, open G. Again, 5th A, 4th D, open G, and 5th A, 4th D. And for the G part, we're gonna play this for 2 rounds, okay? So what you're holding here is the 2nd fret A, and that's it. So you're gonna play 2nd A, open D, open G. You repeat that again. 2nd A, open D, open G, and then 2nd A and open D. That's the pattern of G. And yes, we had 1 round of C, 1 round of D, and 2 rounds of G. So it goes like this. And that is 1 chord progression round. You're going to play it for 4 rounds, and that is the first part of the song. Like I said, I believe that is the first chorus. Then comes at 38 seconds in the lyrics oh. Next part of this song. Now we're going to utilize a strumming pattern. Very, very simple, guys. So if you grab the first chord, C, you have to hold the full chord now, and 1 round goes like this. Okay, so it's down, clap, clap. So down, clap. After the second and last down, you have a short pause before the clap comes. So down, pause, clap. Down, clap, clap. Okay, and we also have to split this in 2 parts actually. So after the down clap, that is the first part, and then comes the down pause clap, which will be part 2. We have to split it because we're going to use it now with the split chording, and we're going to look into this part that goes C, 1 full round, so C, then D, 1 full round, And now comes the split. You're going to play E minor, part 1, the down clap. And then you quickly change to G and play part 2, down, clap, and then play 1 full round of G still. That's the first half of it. So C1, D1, E minor part 1, G part 2, plus 1 full round. That's this. And the second half of this part will be to play C1 full round, D1 full round, E minor 1 full round, plus 1 down, and a big pause. Okay, so C, D, E minor, down, and the big pause. That takes us into next part. I believe this is the first verse at 56 seconds in. Okay, so what you're gonna play now is to play the melody we learned to start with. The intro, this picking pattern, and you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So that's times 4, and that is the first verse. Then comes the next part of the song. It will be about 1 minute and 32 seconds in. I believe this is the second chorus actually. And what you're gonna do now is to go with the strumming, and you're gonna play now 1 full round of C, then 1 of D, 1 E minor, and 1 G. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds like this. 4 rounds of that, and there you have the second chorus. Then we have the final part of the song left. It's about 2 minutes and 8 seconds in. We have the O in the lyric, and what you're gonna do now is to continue with the strumming. You're gonna play C 1 full round, then D 1 full round, then E minor part 1, G part 2 plus 1 full round. And the second half of it will be to play C 1 full round, D 1 full round, E minor part 1, G part 2, and then 1 extra down on G. That down marks the end of it. So I'm gonna play through for you. It goes like this: C, D, E minor, G, G, C, D, E minor, G, and G. And that is the thing that happens in the song from Powfu called Not a King. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, Mr. Fuxedo, or whenever your name is. I'm not sure how I'm pronouncing that correctly, but anyway, you know who you are. Thank you for being here on this channel, and for all you watching out there, feel free to leave a comment and get your song here on Wednesdays. Till next time, guys, play tuned.